People say I try too hard. People say I come off really awkward. You know I don't mean no harm. I'm just trying to be myself. But sometimes I get confused, cause I can't read social cues. Through my inhibitions out the door. I don't have an excuse, I'm just living in my youth. Don't know why people don't like me more. I have no friends, but that's okay. I don't need them anyway. I do my best all on my own, and I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. I have no friends, but I'll be fine. I don't need them to pass the time. And when I put my wrist in this face on, it looks stone cold. I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. I have no friends. But that's okay, I don't need them anyway. I do my best all on my own, and I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. I have no friends. You'll never know what's on my mind. You'll never know the secrets that I'm keeping. I'll scare you off with my crazy eyes, cause all I need is me, myself, and I don't got no shame, cause my life is just a game. And I don't care who's been keeping score. Everybody thinks I'm strange, it's just something in my brain. Don't know who they're being normal for. I have no friends, but that's okay. I don't need them anyway. I do my best all on my own, and I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. I have no friends, and that's a sign. I don't need them to pass the time. And when I put my resting bitch face on, it looks stone cold. I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. But that's okay, I don't need them anyway. I do my best all on my own, and I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. I don't need anybody's hand to hold at night. As long as I'm with me, I know I'll be alright. Cause I can't love no one else, spent my love on just myself. Took this people pleaser heart and I tore it all apart. Now I'm finally set free, I'm so proud to be me. That's why I don't care, I just wanna say I have no la 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 la. No friends, I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. No friends, but that's okay, I don't need them anyway. I do my best all on my own, and I'd just rather be alone, rather be alone. I have no friends, no friends, I'd rather be alone, no friends. All I need is me, myself, no friends. I have no friends. It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. design this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes.